What it is an opportunity for businesses to do right by their staff who has been with them for at least 5 years or more. And so it's not a case that someone could just begin working with an institution today and they're a part of that program. We have a lot of persons over the last 2 years we've experienced coming into the immigration department with job letters, and these job letters are confirming that they've been working with these institutions for many years. And when asked, why aren't you or your employer not filing for you, the answer is they just wish not to. And that is breaking the law. We are trying, because it's such in mass numbers, we are trying to regulate this in a better way. And oftentimes the reasoning given is pretty much what you stated, that the process takes too long. But I am of the found position and that you at least can prove that you submitted an application, then the onus is no longer on you. But if you choose not to apply, then you are literally and intentionally breaking the law. So we want to be able to move away from that. And indeed, we have some challenges with our administration. It does take a long while. I am in discussion with my management, in particular at immigration, to see and discover why that is. In most instances, it has to do with being short staff. And government hands are tied in a lot of ways, which we know, in terms of being able to hire persons. We are trying to be able to train our staff, give them the support that they need. But in a lot of ways, a lot of persons are burnt out as well. They've done this for many years. They'd like to do something different. They have their own grievances as to what they're displeased with. And a lot of people lose their motivation to be able to contribute 100% or as they used to in the past. And we want to be able to find ways to meet them and regulate and fix the situation. But everything can be done overnight. And financing does contribute to the limitations there as well. So, yeah, I am very much so aware that we have our challenges within the immigration department. We are trying our best to fix that. And we will find a way to get that done as soon as possible. Yeah. So I do apologize for the inconvenience that most persons are feeling, but I do believe as well, once you have proof that you've submitted your application, you're in a better standing than having none.